before that, I've been experiencing back pains because
And you also check out headaches. How often do you have headaches?
I think at least 3 to 4 times a week.
Any issues there?
No.
Okay, great.
Oh my god, that feels good.
Okay, there.
Here,
Back
exercising
pain?
here. Oh.
Very good. And feel better. Kasi kailangan ng katawan kasi very athletic kasi naglalaro kami. So kailangan talaga ng maintenance. So sobrang thank you.
Hi, this is Dr. Kim Cobb, and thank you for watching our videos. To show our appreciation, we're starting a little contest that you can win a consultation, examination, your first chiropractic adjustment. Continue watching this video. There's a little break in the middle where there's going to be a phrase or a question to answer. And if you put the correct answer in the comment section below, we're going to randomly select 2 winners for the first 20 correct answers in the comments section, and you'll be invited to come to our office and receive your initial consultation, examination, and first chiropractic adjustment. Thank you very much.
So, like last year or the year before that, I've been experiencing back pains because of school and stress. Yeah, so it still appears until now.
Okay.
So I think it would really help me today that I win on your contest.
Okay. And you also check out headaches. How often do you have headaches?
I think at least 3 to 4 times a week.
And how long have you had that? Months or years?
Yeah, years.
Years? I'm sorry to hear that. Okay. So pain, discomfort to your shoulders at all?
Yeah, big
Right there, yeah. All right, now look up the ceiling. Right there at all?
No.
Yeah, okay, back to neutral. You're going to turn left and right. Any issues there?
No.
There? Okay, great. So go ahead and stand up now. I'm going to check your back. I'm just going to turn left and right. Okay, there?
Here,
Back
exercising
pain?
here.
Right side?
Yeah.
All right, go to the right side. Left side. Issues there at all?
Yeah, still there.
Go to the same spot.
This spot right here, when you get, okay? Take a deep breath in.
All the way down. There you go. Get your lower back. All right, on your back, please. Upper back. Good.
Oh my god, that feels good.
The comment for this video is, the greatest wealth is health. Different today?
Yeah, that's better.
Okay, let's go.
I'm not feeling anything at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, like any good thing.
Is there pain there on that side? You have pain on that side?
No.
Different now?
Yeah. No pain at all. It's my very first time experiencing that treatment and I feel so good. Like my body is very light. I don't feel anything at all like pain. None.
All right.
And thank you, Doc.
Okay.